Once upon a time, in a lively city, a magical circus arrived for its debut. Luiza, curious and full of energy, couldn't contain her excitement upon hearing the drums and laughter coming from the grand ring. But what she didn't know was that this was no ordinary circus. All the animals performing could talk. Upon entering the circus tent, Luiza was amazed to see lions, elephants, monkeys, and even exotic birds chatting with each other like old friends. "Welcome, little one," said a lion named Leon. "We are so happy to have you here. This is our home, and we are ready to impress you." Enchanted by the magic of the circus, Luiza began to make friends with the animals. But soon she realized that something was wrong. The creatures of the circus whispered about a witch who was determined to steal the magic that allowed them to speak. "She wants to turn us back into mere circus animals," explained an elegant giraffe named Gina. "We need to protect our secret at all costs." Determined to help her new friends, Luiza joined them to devise a plan. "We need to make the witch understand that true magic lies in friendship and accepting differences," suggested Luiza. Everyone agreed, and together they decided to put on a grand performance to showcase the value of diversity and inclusion. On the day of the performance, the circus was filled with curious spectators. Luiza and the animals worked together, and magic filled the ring. They showcased incredible acrobatics, funny dances, and fascinating tricks, demonstrating to everyone that each one, regardless of their appearance or ability, had a special role to play. The witch, who had hidden in the audience, was furious to see the unity and joy of the animals. She stood up and began to cast a spell to capture them, but Luiza, with courage, approached her. "You cannot steal their magic, because true magic comes from love and friendship. Look at what they can do together." With these words, the witch began to reflect. She realized she had never experienced true friendship, and Luiza's words touched her heart. Instead of attacking, she hesitated and began to cry. "I just wanted to be accepted, just like you," confessed the witch. The animals, showing their inclusive nature, invited the witch to join them in the ring. "Come play with us. Here, everyone is welcome," said Leon. With that, the witch joined the circus, learning about acceptance and friendship. The magic of the circus thrived, and all the animals, along with the witch, learned that true magic is not just the ability to speak or perform tricks, but the capacity to accept and celebrate each other's differences. Inclusion and acceptance of differences are fundamental to true friendship and happiness. Thank you for joining us at the enchanting circus of talking animals. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, Luiza Creativa, for more magical adventures like this. Until next time.